Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes. We back with another one, guys. So there it goes. Bitcoin doing exactly what we was expecting for it to do. And I know some may say, well, no, Hayes, you was just saying it's going to come down after breaking 18,200. It's going to come all the way down to $10,000, $11,000. Yes, guys, that's still a possibility that that's going to happen. Nobody knows exactly what any asset or security is going to do, but from my knowledge and experience of the market, I share with you guys exactly what's in front of me. I still believe in the long-term things aspects. As the market spikes, I told you guys this will happen in between time. Our total outlook, I give you an outlook for my end goal, what I expect to happen at the end of the day, and I also tell you guys exactly what I expect to happen in between all the ruckus, all the madness. But anyways, if you've been paying attention to the videos, but even if you not been paying attention to them, you know Hayes is going to bring it back up, show it to you, let you know exactly what I said and how it's taking place. But anyways, I told you guys in previous videos, it was about what, 14 days ago, 2 weeks ago, I told you guys I am expecting for Bitcoin to come down lower. But before it does that, I wouldn't be surprised if Bitcoin spiked above 22,500 and went flying off to around $29,000-$30,000, guys. I'm talking break 22.5. Everybody expecting it. I'm even expecting for it to drop $7,000-$8,000 to the downside. But I'm smart enough to know what can happen in between time, which is happening now. That instead of it dropping $7,000-$8,000, hell, it could go up $7,000-$8,000. Then come back, drop another 10, then drop another 10. So exactly how I said it now. That's how I believe it's going to play out, guys, and it's already going into effect how we believe it will play out as of the in-between times as of now. I told you guys once Bitcoin broke 22,500, this thing is going to send off like a bat out of hell. That's why it's taking off the way it's taking off now, guys, as well as Shiba Inu, as well as Ethereum, as well as possibly Terra Luna Classic. And like I told you guys, when Bitcoin take off, you ain't even got to ask about the other ones because they're going to take off as well. But I do believe it's just going to be temporarily. But don't be tricked. Don't be tricked by that. Don't be listening to people, because you never know when that could have been the bottom. Bitcoin could be about to take off and go all the way back to near its all-time highs, which I don't think that's going to happen. I'm just putting it out there, letting you guys know. Don't, sell all your position as it spikes up and then it continue to run and you done, miss your golden opportunity at these lower levels. That's why you want to dollar cost average in and never wait for a specific key level. You want to get it while the price good, why it's good, just in case things like that happen, what we just discussed. But like I told you guys, I like to be clear. I tell you guys exactly what I'm expecting, what I'm waiting for. I told you guys, exactly how it's playing out. But anyways, let's go ahead and take a look at it, guys, so it can refresh your memory a bit, because I know you like to forget. Guys, I do believe Bitcoin is going to make that huge pullback, but I wouldn't be surprised if we broke above 22,500 and spiked up crazy before doing so, just because I know how the psychological points and the market makers, how they like to manipulate that price, trap in more loans before doing something drastic, guys. So be aware of that. You see how we just bounced, broke under 20,000, came down to 18,000 level. It's ready, it's show enough ready to come down to that 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, $10,000 range. But before doing so, see, I want to continue to play games. Go from 18,000 just earlier today and shot back up to 20, almost 21,000, just like that. That's $4,000-$5,000 on the share price. You just swinging, like really playing. So you already know, guys. Like I say, I wouldn't be surprised if it break above 22.5 and shoot off 5, 6, 7 more thousand just to come right back down, test the 20,000 level, break it, and come down hard. So be prepared, guys. That's just my opinion. Hey, man, that's crazy, man. Calling it like it is. Like I just said, we called it in the video. Told you guys I wouldn't be surprised if Bitcoin does exactly what it's doing. It was, I called it. I said this was bound to happen. Bullish market within a bearish market, just to trap in more loans, trap in a lot more retail investors, just to bring the market down even harder than it came down previously before, guys. So as you know, AMC doing what we expected to do today as well, guys. Told you guys it will blast through that 1695 resistance, as well as GME will blast through that 150 resistance that they had a tough time breaking through on yesterday and on last week. They both went through it, and they went went to our price targets that I expected it to go to. I said AMC will run up to around $17.50, $18 on the day. It ran to $17.82. I said GME would run up to around $158. I'm not sure what it peaked out at, but I'm sure it got there, or if it got pretty close. So you already know, guys, what to do. Edge Boy on Instagram at the B Hayes Show. I love y'all. We out, and God bless you. We go.